Hey Hyperdrive fam, welcome back to the channel, and today we've got something seriously special lined up for you. We're diving deep into the 2025 Kawasaki Z900, and trust me, this is one you do not want to miss. Before we jump in, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future reviews, comparisons, and all things speed. We've got some incredible content coming your way. Okay, let's get down to business. The Z900 has been a fan favorite for years, known for its aggressive styling, powerful engine, and overall hooligan spirit. But what does the 2025 model bring to the table? Well, Kawasaki hasn't completely reinvented the wheel, but they've definitely refined it. We're talking subtle but significant updates that make an already fantastic bike even better. First impressions, just look at it. The styling is sharp, aggressive, and undeniably Kawasaki. This isn't a bike that blends into the background. The signature Tsugomi design language is still there, with those sharp lines and that crouching stance. The exposed trellis frame adds to the raw mechanical look. The headlight has been slightly tweaked, giving it a more modern and menacing stare. It's definitely a head-turner. Now let's talk about the cockpit. The Z900 features a sleek, full-color TFT display. It's super clear, even in direct sunlight, and provides all the essential information you need at a glance. Speed, gear position, fuel level, riding modes, and more. Navigating through the menus is intuitive and easy, thanks to the user-friendly switchgear. It's a modern touch that elevates the overall riding experience. Moving down to the wheels, the Z900 rolls on lightweight, sporty alloys. These aren't just for looks, they contribute to the bike's agile handling and responsiveness. The tires offer excellent grip, inspiring confidence in corners and under hard acceleration. These wheels complete the bike's aggressive stance and enhance its performance. And now for the heart of the beast, the engine. The 948cc inline 4 is a masterpiece. It delivers smooth, linear power across the rev range, with a satisfying surge in the mid-range that's just addictive. It's not just about peak power, it's about how that power is delivered. The Z900's engine is incredibly tractable, making it equally enjoyable for cruising around town or tearing up your favorite twisty roads. The exhaust note is also something to behold, a deep growl that lets everyone know you're coming. The handling of this bike is also incredible. It feels light and nimble, making it easy to flick through corners. The suspension is well tuned, providing a comfortable ride without sacrificing sportiness. Whether you're navigating city streets or carving through mountain roads, the Z900 inspires confidence and delivers a thrilling ride. So what do you think of the 2025 Kawasaki Z900? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts. See you in next video.